Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I am going to be showing you how to do your very own DIY Mickey nails. Okay guys, so the materials you're going to need for this video are: number one, a dotting tool. Very important for this tutorial, so would definitely recommend you get one. Again, you could also use a bobby pin as you saw in my previous video. You're also going to need some black nail polish, some white nail polish, also red, and you're also going to need a top coat to seal everything in after. I am using gel, but you could use any top coat you have, it's perfectly fine. So let's just get on with the video. Okay guys, so to start off this design, you're going to use your red nail polish and you're going to paint every nail but this one, and this one is going to be painted in white. That's just going to be the base. After, we're going to do the complete design. So let's get on with that. Okay guys, so now is where our dotting tool comes in hand, and we are going to put polka dots on this nail, and your pinky nail. Now these two nails are going to stay as they are because they're going to have a different design. So now let's just start putting the polka dots on the nails I just showed you. So let's just get on with that. Okay guys, so now we're going to do full Mickey faces here. They're not going to be too big, but they can't be too small either. So I also forgot to mention, you will need like one of these eyeshadow applicators. So you're just going to use the tip of the applicator and you're going to dip it in some nail polish, and you're going to lightly do the circles, and I'll be teaching you how to do that in a minute. So let's get on with that. Okay guys, so now the next step is to get our black nail polish and to do the Mickey on this fingernail. Now this Mickey is going to be slightly bigger and it is going to be on the corner, so I will be using the eyeshadow applicator again, and make sure to rinse off the white nail polish from before or get a new one, because you don't want the white mixing with the black on this design. So let's get on with that. Okay guys, and now the final step is to add our top coat, and then you'll finally be done with your DIY Mickey nails. So let's go on and put that top coat on so we could finish our design. Okay guys, so this is the final result, and I hope you guys liked the video, and make sure to go smash that like button and go subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.